I know. You're not. Nice dress underwear.
Which one?
They're my, it's my bikini, actually.
Oh, check mine.
Wait a second, I can't breathe.
As it's falling out.
Let me come crack my back.
Alright, Jordyn, you're lighter than me, so go.
No, like, I need you to crack my back.
Oh, God. I'm gonna break it.
That was hilarious, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Here, hold this.
Hold on, I gotta readjust my boobs. I like how we're all, like, shirtless and doing this. Well,
We're shirtless?
But braless.
Oh! You have no idea how great I feel right now.
Oh.
I don't think I've laughed so I haven't laughed that hard in weeks.
Oh. Your back doesn't want to crack.
Do you want me to do it? I'll jump on you.
I'll jump on you. Don't jump on me.
Incoming!
I can't breathe.
Do you want me to wait a second?
No, I'm good. But, no.
Ooh, bring the shirt.
Dude, your back won't crack. It's really tight. Your spine shape's funny.
It's because
Oh, my aunt has that. Ew, you're curved! I'm done. I can't do it. You're curved. It feels weird.
And I've been in 12 car wrecks. Ow, my boobies are killing me.
Oh.
That's what we get for not wearing bras.
I haven't felt this loose in weeks.
That's what she said.
I haven't felt... Which one of you wants to rub my back?
I haven't felt this good since
Aw, man.
Jordyn, you should rub my back.
You should kiss my ass.
Who just made your back really loose?
Exactly.
Don't look at me. Bitch, fucking rub my back.
You just made your back feel really loose.
Oh, my hip cracked. Fuck me.
Ah!
This can't go on Facebook because I swore like 80 million times.
If you feel knots, rub them the fuck out. Ow! Sorry. I screamed out.
What are you? This is extremely gay. Quit recording it.
It's not gay.
It can be gay.
No homo.
No homo.
You should go get
I
it. My
can't.
ass crack is showing.
Thank you for that.
Yeah. I was like, yeah, whatever.
Somebody has to rub my back now.
No.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll do yours if you do mine.
Just don't touch my boobs.
I'm gonna touch your boobs.
Let's
It's
get
your
it really
back are
ticklish.
hard. My hands don't wander. Unless I'm drunk.
You a weirdo.
Huh?
You know you can put pressure. You're not going to hurt me. My spine's fucked up, but it doesn't hurt me.
You look like you're constipated, you're getting
Me?
hardcore fucked, and you're not enjoying it.
Ah! Put a good song on.
I feel like your shoulder blades are so smooth.
They are. Don't give a fuck. See all the knots? They're everywhere.
I've been really bad. My back hurt. When I started living with my grandma, I had to lift my back, and my back was hard because yeah, it was one big knot.
I think he fell asleep. All my knots are on my shoulders now. Not gonna hurt if you feel pressure. Don't give up,